Our goal, right, to unify all of your data, to give you that one lens to complete the tasks you must do. What's really great about what we find with the Magic Quadrant is we're cited specifically for our vision. And that's a shared vision, shared with all of you as we partner together to build and expand. And you see us executing on that vision as we look to move to power the complete modern financial close. It's an end-to-end process, automating your repetitive tasks and going from that first transaction creation all the way through to your financial reporting. When we look at the modern financial close capabilities, we've been evolving for years, but just last year, we introduced anomaly detection into account reconciliations. We expanded transaction matching to heights, 200 million transactions per period. And we're proud to introduce the modern financial close experience. It's a simplified user experience with guided workflows that brings it all together in one lens, one unified platform.